Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop clicking noises in Ableton, step by step. If you've been struggling with those annoying clicks, this is the video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Step 1. Let's say you have an audio clip filled with clicks. What do? The answer is simple. Add short fades at the beginning and end of the audio clip. These tiny fades will smooth out any clicks and make your sound much cleaner. Just a quick fade at each end is all you need, and you won't hear any clicks anymore. Step 2. Finally, if you have multiple audio clips stacked next to each other and they're all clicking, here's a major tip. Select all of the clips, then press Command-Option-F on Mac or Control-Option-F on Windows. This will crossfade all of them automatically. Now your clips are smooth and seamless without any clicking noises. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.